The steering on the John Deere 1025R and the 1023 is all done through a live hydraulic pump. It's the black part. I wiped him off just so you could see it. Might see the lines starting to go out there. The lines go to the steering cylinder in front. We'll look at that in just a few seconds. That's the pump. On top of the pump is the shaft, and that's what you're turning as you steer. Now the good news about this pump, this hydraulic pump is a live pump, and no matter what you're doing with the tractor, you could be raising a 500-pound implement on the back right in the middle of a turn, and you'll never notice, as long as the engine's running, you'll never notice any hesitation or stiffness in the steering. In other words, the pump has a constant supply of hydraulic fluid. Some say to the tune of 1 3/4 gallon per minute to as high as 3.2 gallons per minute from the whatever 6 to 6.5 gallons per minute hydraulic pump that these tractors have on them. It's a dedicated supply going to it. So no matter what you're doing with other hydraulics, the rear, your mid-mount mower, or both, the pump is never starved for fluid. So that's a very good feature on it, and I really like that feature. And that feature is pretty much standard on all subcompact utility tractors today. That's the same feature you'll find on a $500,000 tractor or a combine. Here's your steering cylinder. There's a line here and a line on the other side. Simply put, as you turn left, the piston inside this pump is going to go this way. And it's going to turn this tie rod in. It's not a tie rod in, it's just attached to the hub. It's going to pull the hub this way, and as it goes this way, your wheels turn and you turn left. When you turn the wheel to the right, this shaft through the piston in here, fluid's coming in on that side, pushing this side, the fluid's leaving on this side, and it's going to extend this cylinder out. As it extends it, this wheel, the back of this wheel comes out, the tractor turns to the right. As hydraulic fluid goes to that pump the entire time, there's going to be some leakage all internally. And as that happens, you're going to see that no matter where you place your spinner, the spinner will slowly drift or clock around the steering. And now we'll look at that through a GoPro in time warp.